Hello, my friends. My name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and my goal is to help you find a boat, sell your boat, or share my knowledge on anything boating. Let's get into the news. Let's look at the stocks. Let's look at the overall marine industry. So it's 50-50 here. Caterpillar, Marine Products, Marine Max, Garmin, Malibu, Brunswick, all in the green. That's awesome. Okay, let's look at something so 2 days ago, we saw that the Fish and Wildlife, Florida Fish and Wildlife, said no raft ups, no sandbars. You got to stay away. 10 people only. Blah blah blah. Anyways, now Palm Beach County in Florida is banning boating. So look what they're saying. Closing all boat ramps and marinas to all recreational boating activities to include boat launching, in and out storage activities, boat rentals. Aside from licensed commercial fishermen, all other boating was now banned. You can read that article. It's from Scuttlebutt Sailing News. Okay, next, let's go to my site and see what has propagated. Okay, so every marine industry mag is going to my site. What I just showed you was not going there to my site, but I will find out how to get those articles like what we just saw right now. But I just Googled that. But I will figure out how to get that on here so we don't have to keep going everywhere. We should make this the one-stop shop. Okay, let's look at first article, long shaft electric trolling motors. Trolling motors with longer shafts are making offshore anglers think about using electric propulsion for offshore fishing. Check it out. Looks like pretty cool. Looks like a nice long article to tell you all about it. Great. You can check that out. Stay safe out there. A forward-looking sonar system from FarSounder. The Argos 500 helps keep boaters safe. So this is an article talking about this system, which is here. So this is FarSounder website. This is the Argos 350. They have a few models. Let's look at a little video about them.
Introducing FarSounder's 3D forward-looking sonars designed for real-time navigation and obstacle avoidance.
It's kind of cool.
The FarSounder system consists of a few separate components that work together to collect, process, and display 3D sonar information that updates about every 2 seconds. This is an overview of the FarSounder Argos series. There are 3 models in the series, the 1000, 500, and 350.
Okay.
These models have similar functionality with varying degrees of abilities. The most distinct difference is the range. These units can detect hazards up to either 350 meters, 500 meters, or 1,000 meters in front of the vessel. The transducer module is installed on the vessel's bow, facing forward, at least 1 meter below the water line. The transducer module is connected to the power module using a custom 33-meter wet mateable cable. The power module is usually located in a dry space close to the transducer module but above the water line.
That's cool.
The power module connects to a computer using a standard Cat5e or Cat6 network cable.
Right here.
Finally, the computer connects to a display on the vessel's bridge using a standard video cable. FarSounder's SonarSoft software displays the processed sonar data on the bridge display. Detections in the sonar data are classified as either seafloor or in-water targets and are shown accordingly. The 3D viewer, chart viewer, and conning display are the screens you will interact with on a day-to-day basis. Beginning with the 3D viewer, we can see the bottom mapped out almost 500 meters ahead of the vessel. In this video, there also happens to be some in-water targets detected
cool.
corresponding to a buoy. In this case, both the seafloor and in-water targets are colored to reflect their depth according to the color scale on the lower right-hand side of the screen. FarSounder's sonars perform 3D detections out to 8 times the depth of water below the transducer module. Some of the data we see in the 3D display is also mirrored in the profile view below. This shows a slice of the data.
Anyways, look them up. Let's see, where are we? So that's that. Let's go back. Next article. Oh, I skipped it. New boating, the Belize. Okay, so this guy Daniel wrote about the wall in my office is a magazine rack, and the. Okay, so he's basically talking about his experience with the Belize 66, which is right here. So this boat. So if you like the look of that, and you want to get somebody's experience on that boat, which is got nice lines. It's got nice lines. Nice site here. So if you want to know more about this boat, not only go on their site, but it looks like this guy wrote about it. Okay, next. How to prepare your boat and beat the boating blues. Let's see. It's self-explanatory. You can read up on that. This is cool. Look at that. Building a stern drive lower unit stand for a boat. That's cool. And you know, this is useful. You see this a lot in boat yards. But if you like working on your boat and you want to see how you can move this around and work on it, this is cool. Check this out. It's boatingmag.com. I like it. Yeah. They're telling you everything. Wow. This is cool. Check it out. Okay, next. James, thank you for the recipe. The yellowfin tuna tostada. Okay, tuna in fusion cuisine at its finest blends. The best of Mexican and Asian flair. Okay. And we went over this one the other day, so this is the last one. Crisis leadership. So this guy Bill, the global community is dealing with a crisis unlike anything those of us alive have ever experienced. I think I skimmed over it. He's just some words of encouragement, basically, if you want to know a little bit about that and how that, I guess, ties to, I don't know if it ties to the boating industry itself, but it might be a good read if you like that kind of stuff. Is that it? Yes, that's it. Good. All right. My name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and my goal is to help you find a boat, sell your boat, or share my knowledge on anything boating. You can always connect with me through phone, email, or any of my social media channels. I will see you on the water. Oh, you've earned it. I wasn't supposed to be there. I was supposed to disappear. See? That's what happens. I look good there. I gotta lighten that up though. Okay, I was supposed to be behind that scene, but it's okay. I messed up. I'll fix it for tomorrow. In, out, in, out.